Hello everyone and welcome back to another relaxing painting session. Today we're going to create a peaceful lakeside landscape filled with soft reflections, glowing greenery, and the quiet feeling of sitting beside calm water on a beautiful day in nature. This painting is all about atmosphere, depth, and the gentle balance between light and shadow. I want this scene to feel calm, fresh, and inviting, like a quiet place where you could sit for hours listening to the breeze and the water. I begin by mixing white with a touch of blue and, using a sponge, softly cover the upper part of the canvas. The sponge helps create a beautifully smooth and misty texture without visible brush marks. I want the sky to feel soft and airy rather than sharply detailed, because this gentle beginning will help the entire painting feel calm and atmospheric from the very start. Next, I mix a muted turquoise green using blue, yellow, white, and just a tiny amount of black. With the sponge once again, I begin building the dense background trees. Using a flat brush, I move down to paint the base color of the lake. At first, I use the same cool green tones from the distant trees, so the water immediately reflects the environment around it. As I work closer toward the foreground, I gradually shift the color slightly greener and brighter. This subtle transition helps create depth and movement within the water, while keeping the surface calm and harmonious. Now I begin bringing some of the trees to life by slightly lightening my color mixture and using a smaller brush to add highlights across selected areas. These highlights gently separate some of the tree shapes from one another without losing the soft, dreamy atmosphere. The trees in the foreground become a little clearer and brighter, while the distant layers remain softer and more blurred. This difference between sharp and soft edges helps create a natural sense of distance and perspective within the landscape. Once I'm happy with the trees, I start painting their reflections in the lake below. Using vertical brush strokes, I softly pull the colors downward into the water layer by layer. I keep these reflections blurry and delicate so the lake feels still and peaceful. Reflections in calm water should never compete with the landscape itself. They should quietly support it. With a very thin, light-colored paint, I begin creating the bright, shimmering glow across the surface of the lake. I gently pull this reflected light toward the viewer, allowing it to guide the eye deeper into the composition. Using soft tapping motions with the tip of my brush, I scatter tiny glowing highlights around the brightest area. These little, sparkling details help make the water feel alive and touched by sunlight. Before we continue with the next stage of this artwork, I'd really love to know where you're watching this video from. It always makes me happy to see how people from all around the world connect through painting and creativity. So please share your country or city with me in the comments below. Now it's time to bring the foreground to life by painting the elements that are closest to the viewer. I mix a warm, earthy brown using yellow, red, and black. I cover the front area of the painting with this rich, dark tone, leaving certain areas intentionally darker than others. These deep shadows will later create beautiful contrast once the brighter grasses and details are added on top. Now I darken and thin my paint slightly and begin painting the large tree trunk along one side of the composition. I give it strong, twisting branches that stretch naturally across the upper part of the painting. This tree becomes an important framing element, almost like a window into the peaceful lake beyond. For the leaves, I begin with bright yellow-green tones, applying them with soft tapping motions of the brush to create clusters of glowing foliage touched by sunlight. Gradually, I darken my colors and add deeper greens between the brighter leaves. This layering creates depth and gives the impression that sunlight is filtering beautifully through the canopy. Using my small round brush, I carefully paint the thinner branches weaving between the leaves. I add them here and there in an irregular, natural way so the tree feels organic rather than overly planned. Now, using my small round brush and a darker green mixture, I begin painting more defined leaves over the softer background foliage. Instead of covering everything evenly, I carefully place these sharper leaf shapes here and there across the tree canopy, allowing some of the lighter underlayers to remain visible beneath them. These darker, more detailed leaves instantly give the tree greater depth, texture, and realism. Because they are painted with clearer edges and stronger contrast, they help bring parts of the tree visually forward while still preserving the soft, atmospheric feeling of the painting. As the large tree begins to take shape, I start bringing its trunk to life with soft, vertical highlights made from a lighter, warm brown. Using gentle upward and downward strokes, I build the texture little by little, allowing the rough bark to appear naturally aged and dimensional. I avoid making every mark identical. Some highlights are sharper, while others softly fade into the darker base color. This layering process creates the feeling of deep grooves and raised textures, catching the sunlight filtering through the leaves above. Toward the outer edges of the trunk, I gradually brighten the bark even more. These lighter touches help separate the tree from the background and make it feel solid and close to the viewer. Now I move down to the foreground, where the closest details of the painting begin to emerge. Using fresh, grassy greens mixed with touches of yellow and darker earth tones, I paint clusters of grass, soft bushes, and wild plants growing along the lakeside. Because this part of the scene is nearest to us, I spend more time carefully shaping each layer. The strokes become clearer, sharper, and more textured compared to the soft, blurry background. I allow small sections of the earthy ground beneath the grass to remain visible so the foreground feels natural and believable rather than overly covered. This contrast between exposed soil and vibrant greenery creates depth and richness in the scene. Some grasses lean gently toward the lake, while others grow upward in loose, energetic directions, adding movement and life to the painting. Finally, it is time to add the last element of the painting, a quiet wooden bench resting beneath the tree. I begin by sketching the simple structure carefully, making sure its perspective feels natural beside the lake. Once the basic form is established, I slowly add the details of the wooden planks, legs, shadows, and soft highlights. The bench instantly changes the feeling of the artwork. It transforms the landscape into a peaceful place someone could truly sit and enjoy, listening to the gentle water, feeling the breeze through the trees, and watching the sunlight shimmer across the lake. The warm highlights on the wood help connect it visually to the glowing sunlight filtering through the leaves above. With a few final touches and subtle adjustments, the painting is complete. The combination of soft reflections, glowing greenery, textured bark, and the quiet lakeside bench creates a calm and inviting atmosphere full of peace and stillness. Thank you so much for painting with me today and spending your time here on my channel. I truly hope this relaxing painting tutorial inspired you and brought you a little moment of calm and creativity. If you enjoyed this video, please support the channel by liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comments. I always love hearing from you and seeing where in the world you are watching from. Until our next painting journey together, take care and keep creating beautiful art.